tying down a load with a ratchet strap. This is how I do it. Take the heavier hook end from under, throw it over, pull, opposite end, over the opposite way, pull. Now I've created a loop where the two ends are pulling down on the load. Once I have everything hooked on, take the hook end. I like to give a half turn and hook onto the rack. Try and get as much slack out as possible and pull tight. I like to give a half turn, pass my strap through the ratcheting mechanism, pull up as much slack as possible. Still have my half twist in my strap, hook the rack and pull up as much slack as I can and start ratcheting the mechanism until your strap is nice and tight. The half turn in the strap cuts down on wind vibration as you're traveling. There you go. That's how I tie my loads down. Big brain. When you get to your job site or your project site and you need to unload, release the tension on the strap with this lever here. Pull down, pull the ratcheting mechanism straight, releases the pressure, pull your strap through. Ready to unload.